This is actually one of my flower beds in the backyard, and I put some kitchen scraps out here in my flower bed. And so I'm hoping to get some birds coming in here. They're kind of dodging me. What are you thinking about my bird bath? Okay, we've got some customers out there. It's hard to resist when there's a large pile of flaxseed. Yes, everyone come. Show up all at once. I think putting that massive pile of birdseed out made the difference. In birdseed, it's just flaxseed. But yes, birds obviously love it. Snow Day community.